Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so don't judge me, okay? I come on here to say don't judge me. We're cleaning my room. It's been a while. I'm not proud of myself, but we're doing it, okay? And we're gonna keep up with it. It's a struggle. My room is the dumping grounds for everyone and their mother. My husband's side and my side. You'll see why I say don't judge me. Anyways, let's get to cleaning. Maybe I'll add a pumpkin here or there. Let's go ahead and clean my room, and I hope that you get motivated to clean something in your home. Maybe clean your room if your room's even a quarter as bad as mine. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so here's the grand tour. This is my husband's side. He has he's gonna kill me for showing you guys this. He has Pringles and a cup that's been there for probably a year. No, it's been there like 3 days. And then my side, oh gosh. Okay, those are my kids' socks, but guess what? I've decided we're getting rid of all of them. I'm gonna match them, see which ones actually have a pair, and the rest are just going in the trash. I don't even care. It's gotten out of hand. This is ridiculous. And my husband fights about this every single time. He's like, why are there socks here? Why are there socks? And I'm like, well, because if I put it in their room, it'll be worse than this. At least every now and then I pile it back on and just leave it there. But that's going bye-bye. That's my pile. All of that is clean. It's clean. It's just I do laundry and I put everyone's stuff away nicely, and then I forget my stuff and I just pile it there. So that needs to get put away. This is going downstairs in the garage because I thought if I have it here, I'll use it, but I don't. So you're going bye-bye. The bear's staying, but that thing is going. My brother was here when I was taking care of him for a month, but he's coming back with my mom because they're coming on vacation. So I need to get, organize this, make it look better, but I am leaving this here just because when he comes, I told my mom he's sleeping with me and I don't care what you say. So that's his stuff. I need to just fix it, and because I just kind of piled it all there to fix it. Anyways, and then this is just, I took that out of my living room. I need to find a place for that. I need to finish unpacking this, and that stuff doesn't go there. So anyways, let's just go ahead and clean. I have my little fan cleaner that I like to use. I got it from like, Marshall's. I paid $6.99. I've had it for a while now, but it's really good.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? tonight. We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
I have all of these notebooks and planners and all my stuff that I use to keep myself organized, or at least try, that I'm gonna just put here, because instead of like always just throwing it on top of my dresser, I'll just put it here, and that way it has a place to go.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. Oh.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call was crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.